Hello my friends, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're all having a great day. Today I thought I would come to you with my picks for the Nordstrom sale. I do not have a Nordstrom anywhere around me, so I have to do everything online. So I wanted to show you the things online that I picked so that they don't all sell out right away if you should like them, because it is a lot of merchandise to go through on the website. So I went a little crazy with shoes, booties, and sunglasses. I got a couple of pair of jeans, a couple of tops, a coat or two here or there. And I just thought I would go ahead and share them, and I will list and link everything below for you so that you can go and look at the color selections that they have, and hopefully many of the items will still be there for you, okay? So let's get started. I'm going to talk over the laptop and just show you what I purchased, and then when it does come in, the items that really work for me, I will come and do a little fashion haul for you, okay? All right, so let's get to it. I also ordered the Stretch Organic Cotton Slim Ankle Jeans from Eileen Fisher. Eileen Fisher comes in regular and petite sizes, and at times she can get a little matronly, but I've since learned that her daughter is now involved with the business, and her daughter is much younger. So she is really changing the style of Eileen Fisher, but the clothes are quality and they last for years and they don't go out of style. So I'm getting these, and in Eileen Fisher, always order a size down. It runs very big. I ordered this puff sleeve sweater from Halogen, comes in regular and petite sizes. It just looked really pretty. I love the way it cuffs at the wrist, and then it has the soft flowy sleeves. I like that it has a little bit of a blousiness to it. I'm more of a flowing type dresser than I am a skin tight. I think this can be worn casual or dressy. I did order it in the navy pea coat, however it comes in several shades. So whatever suits your fancy, they have it for you. So that is that. I also ordered this lace sleeve stretch crepe blouse from Cece. I like this brand. I think it's very, very feminine. Their tops, again, are very flowing. And I did order it in the black. However, it seems that they are sold out in the medium in size black. However, they may have it in large, small, or extra small. So check on that. I just loved it. I think the sleeves are beautiful on it. I actually have a very similar blouse to this by Cece in this color. That's the only reason I didn't get both colors, because I am a creature like that. I also ordered from the Eileen Fisher line the organic cotton cardigan. I just thought this would be so fabulous with the black jeans that I bought. So I got this, and it does come in a cream color if you are into cream. And it's just a really, really, really pretty sweater. And usually Eileen Fisher is very, very soft. And you're best to dry clean her clothing though. But I have washed her clothing in the wash machine on the gentle cycle with no problems at all. But most of the time, because it does cost so much money, I usually dry clean. From Tom Ford, I ordered the Irina 59mm sunglasses. These, during the sale, are $263. I think normally they are like $495. So I wasn't going to pass these up. I went ahead and ordered them, and they are in blonde Havana. It's a gradient brown color. Absolutely love them. Last year during the sale, I ordered a pair of rag & bone shoes that I absolutely love. So I took advantage of this Michele Mule, and during the sale it's $284, which is a pricey item, but I absolutely loved the light gray suede, and I do get them in a 7. I wear a 6.5. I size up a half. And regularly these will be $425 after the sale. I just think these will be a great shoe in Florida during the winter months. Because I live in cold climate, and probably by late September we will be in very chilly weather, I went ahead and got, I've always been looking for a nice quilted jacket that was on the dressier side, not so much just like the, you know, parka type jacket. I bought this one. It's by Eileen Fisher. It's the Stand Clear quilted jacket. After the sale, it goes up to $498, and it's $332.90 before the sale. But this jacket will last forever. And I think it's going to end up being a really nice jacket to travel in because it is lightweight, but it will give me enough warmth when we're sitting in the cold airport traveling to the Florida airport. So I'm really hoping that this coat fits me well. I ordered it in a medium because I like my coats a little bit larger. So I'm really hoping that it fits me perfectly so I can keep it. I also ordered by Tom Ford the Alisha 59mm sunglasses, and these come in 3 different colors. Again, these are like $263, and after the sale they will probably go up to about $495. I ordered them in the Havana blue, but they also come in a black and they come in a Havana, which is just like a brown. But I wanted the brown with the blue in it just because I have brown sunglasses, so I wanted to jazz myself up a little. Last year, I ordered a pair of Piccolino's boots that I absolutely loved. I love them because they have a nice gripping sole, which is very important for me living in the area I live. We have a lot of salted roads and we have a lot of ice. So I don't want to go crazy with my boots, you know, spending thousands on them because they are going to get salt stained, but I do want my boots to look nice, but they need to be safe for me. So this is the Baquiria boot by Piccolino's. During the sale, they're $124.90. After the sale, they're $189.95. Last year, I did order the boot I ordered in a 7, so I ordered the 7 again. They also come in a, this is the lead black suede, and this would be the stone Amo suede, and this is the color that I ordered right here. I just love this whole little detail here. I'm hoping that it's not longer than the picture appears and drags on the ground, because that won't be good. I'll have to trim the tassels, but I do love them. It seems like it's a sunglass order for me and shoes. I don't have a lot of sunglasses, so I really wanted to grow my collection, but I don't want to spend the money that some of these sunglasses cost, so why not do it during the Nordstrom sale? I actually saw these on Lisa D1 in one of her vlogs the other day, and I really liked them. And these are the 53mm polarized round sunglasses by Ray-Ban. After the sale, they go up to $203. Right now, they're $135. And I did get the black, but they also come in a silver gradient. These are really nice. All right, we're back to shoes. I ordered this pump. I just thought it was beautiful. It's called the Acacia Pump by Vince Camuto, $84.90. After the sale, $129.95. I think, I'm not sure, but I think I ordered this color, which is the Amendola suede. It comes in a beautiful red, which is called Beaujolais suede. I may have gotten the black, I'm not sure, the black suede. And it also comes in a tornado gray suede. But I really like this just to elongate my leg. And I love a slingback. So these I'm excited for. After seeing Lisa D1 rave about the Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks, comparing them to Tom Ford, I decided to go ahead and get this pretty pink lipstick set by Charlotte Tilbury. It's a $90 value for $60 during the sale. And it just has 2 new pinky color lipsticks and, of course, one of her lip liners. And I can't remember the color. Lisa did state it in her video, but I don't remember. But anyway, it looked like a nice way to try her lipstick at a more affordable price. I ordered this lightweight sweater. It's called the Exposed Seam Sweater by BP. It's $31.90 during the sale. After the sale, it's $49. I ordered this so hopefully I can wear it with the Eileen Fisher cream jeans. I wanted a top very similar, just something loose and flowy that I could wear with those jeans. Perhaps even tuck it in slightly, maybe throw on a leopard belt with those jeans. So anyway, I did order some of this line last year, and it held up nice and it was comfortable to wear, so that's what's important. And it also comes in an olive amber, and it comes in a purple keepsake. Now, I'm going to say this. Sometimes when I order from Nordstrom or any other store. The colors are not true. So if you think something is something you might like, go ahead and order it, or you're not sure, I would order it anyway during the sale. And it could surprise you, the color, when you... Seems like this video is going to be a walking advertisement for Lisa D1, but I've heard her talk about these yummy, tummy, ultra light, seamless shaping thong. They're $12.90 during the sale. After the sale, they go back up to $18. So when I find a brand of shoes that really works for me, anytime I see something by them, I take advantage, and during the Nordstrom sale, you just can't beat it. I mean, these booties would be $268 after the sale. They're $169.90 during. So I ordered these, and I believe I bought them in the navy suede. I thought, well, I don't really have any navy booties, so I'll get them, but they also do come in a cocoa suede, and they come in a black leather. I will tell you that I wear a lot of Donald Pliner shoes, and I absolutely love them. This is a Rebecca Minkoff shoe. During the sale, it's $99.90. After the sale, it's $164.95. I absolutely love the studding around the sole of the shoe. I love the heel. I love a mule. I absolutely love mules. And this shoe I ordered in the black, I believe, and it also comes in an olive suede, and it comes in a saddle suede. I almost ordered the saddle, but I was afraid that the saddle would not be the color that I wanted, even though I just told you to go ahead and order. I'm just afraid it would have been too much of a rust color, and I did not want that. So I went ahead with the black, because my other heeled mules that I have in black have pretty much run their course. I've had them for probably, you know, 5-6 years, so I'm ready for a new pair. This shoe I see everybody on Instagram, everybody on YouTube talking about, so I said, okay, I'm gonna order it. If it doesn't work for me, I just send it back. But this is the Kent V Sandal by Vince Camuto. During the sale, it's $99.90, and after the sale, it's $149.95. I went ahead and ordered it in the French taupe suede. I do like a skin tone shoe when it has, especially when it's a slingback or an open toe. I like to elongate my leg, and I just like the way it looks on my feet better when it's closer to my skin tone. But it does come in a black, and it also comes in the gray stone suede. It looks like a pretty shoe. So I said, well, everybody, I almost ordered this one. This one here. This is the Staunton Pump by Stuart Weitzman. Look at this navy and gold. That is just stunning. It's beautiful. And here it is in the nude, and here it is in the black. Oh, just gorgeous. But I have a pair of Stuart Weitzman in the nude, and that's probably the color I'd want. The navy I would have ordered, but I just thought, how often am I going to wear the navy? I don't know, but this shoe is like $289 during the sale, and it's $435 after. So if you're a Stuart Weitzman lover, hop on that. This is another Vince Camuto shoe that I wore. This is called the Jolin Mule. During the sale, it's $79.90, and after the sale, it's $129.95. It comes in red. It comes in white. The white is a leather, the red is suede, and the caramel color is suede, and then the black is leather. I got it in a black because I think this shoe will just look really great with black skinny jeans. I love the studs on it. Absolutely love it. So if they had this in a more nude color, I would have got both. I like the white, but I'm not a real big white shoe wearer. I know it's a trend now. So it's really pretty in white too, but I did go ahead and get the black. And the last item I had to get, again, I saw Lisa talking about this, is the Cozy Chic Light Coastal Hooded Cardigan by Barefoot Dreams. Last year I don't believe I ordered a Barefoot. I think I ordered the Carlson line cardigans, but I thought I better try this Barefoot Dreams everybody talks about. They're just so soft, everybody says. So during the sale, they're $75.90. After, they're $114, and it comes in the indigo. I didn't like the two-tone here, the stripes. And it also comes in a, this is called Pearl Heather. That was actually very pretty, but I thought I'd get more use out of the carbon. So those are the items that I am anxiously waiting for, because if they work for me, of course I'll be sharing them in a haul, like I said. So in the comments, let me know if you are participating in the Nordstrom sale, if you have ordered anything that I am ordering. I get excited for this sale. I don't know why. I just love a bargain. I do. I love a bargain. Who doesn't love a bargain? All right, my friends. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, subscribe. We're living life here. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. Go on, be lovable. I love you all. Be soon.